Here's my Jensen steam model, or steam engine model, boiler, running on flame, all that great stuff. I think I did a video of this before, but I just went to the steam museum, thought I'd pull this guy out and give it a whirl. I think I'm up to pressure. Oh yeah, that'll kill your ears. And here we go. Yeah, a lot of power. There we go. That sounds great. I'll put it back up to power again. Jeepers. This is a style number 76 Jensen, if you wanted to know. And I'm running on I get these from Germany. $14, comes with 2 packs. That's not bad, I guess. That's pretty good stuff. Burns for quite a while. I haven't actually timed how long it burns, but roughly, I'll say 10 minutes, maybe even 15. So, there you have it.